Hi, my name is Hannah Curtis Booker, and I will be presenting a slideshow to you about my lesson, What Am I Feeling? From the unit Feel the Feelings. This will be given by the school counselor to the teacher in order to help them be able to teach their students how to better differentiate between feelings and understand them a little better. The audience will be the students. The behavior will be that the participants should be able to tell the teacher the 6 different emotions: happy, sad, angry, afraid, calm, and love. The students will read with their teacher The Color Monster to look at how to separate their feelings and understand them better. And the class will have a group discussion about these 6 emotions and try to come up with examples of how they may have felt this way before. The objective is to help the students learn how to regulate their emotions, which will help them learn to cope. And this is such a special time in students' and children's lives to make friends, to establish relationships. And so understanding how their emotions work will be really helpful for them. The teacher will read the students the book, The Color Monster, Story of Emotions, and the class will sit together on the carpet if the teacher has one, and they'll come together for a reading time. He or she might say, "Class, we're reading a story today about a monster who had feelings that were all mixed up. Do you ever feel like you don't know how you're feeling? Today we're going to learn about different feelings so we can feel our best." The teacher will read the book to the class, and after reading the book, they'll recap over the 6 emotions. The teacher will say, "Let's discuss as a group when we have felt these feelings. Can anyone think of a time that you have felt these feelings? Raise your hand if you want to share about a time that you have had one of these feelings." The students can share different stories, and the teacher can gauge how long that he or she wants them to go or what she wants that to look like. But this will give them an opportunity to use their little minds and think about different ways that they have experienced these feelings in their own lives. For assessment, the teacher can use the discussion time to gauge and assess if the students are understanding the content and the concepts from this little story. And as a class, they'll go over the 6 emotions and say them out loud together and get used to those words and using that vocabulary. And after the discussion time to close, the teacher will explain that the students will be learning a lot about these 6 emotions for the week, but let's remember what they are and kind of ask them to repeat them back to them. Here is the resource for the book. This is just a link for Amazon, but I am sure that they could probably find it in their local library, and there are probably other places to find this book, but this is just from Amazon. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this lesson, and I'm going to pick up this book for myself.